Okay, we're on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Messenger app to your home screen on an Android phone. If you use the Messenger app a lot, or any other app for that matter, it's better to have it on your home screen rather than having to scroll through your pages like that to find it, or by swiping up and scrolling through all your apps like that. So in order to add the Messenger app to your home screen, open up all your apps and scroll through until you see the Messenger app, and press on it and hold, and you get certain information pops up. Depending on the Android device you've got, you may have an option straight away to click and add to home screen. I don't, as you can see, so I need to press select, keep the Messenger app ticked, and then at the bottom right select add. It then adds it as the last app on my fourth page. So now I need to press and hold and drag it to the home page, and then once there I can move it around and swap it with other apps and position it where I want it to be. And that's how we add the Messenger app to the home screen on an Android phone.